Hello, this is Chaoyu from University of British Columbia. I'm in CANOSP program winter 2022 and under the review board team. The project I'm working on is to add a new top-level comments API. So in review board, user can add three types of comments in your review, which are the general comments, the div comments under the div view, and the file attachment comments. The comments is a child resource under the review, and the review itself is another child resource under the review request. Here's the current API we have if we want to query those comments resources. As we can see, they all have kind of nested structure under the review request and the reviews. This means it's impossible to do things like query for all comments created by a given user or under certain review ID. We would love to enable such advanced query for the users and by adding those new comments API on the top level. In the past few weeks, I registered new top level comments API to the root level and make them support few query parameters such as review ID, review request ID, and the username. Next, I will quickly demo the query functionality under the general comments. As we can see, when users sending an HTTP request, we can get there are 4 total general comments. If we filter by a certain review ID and review request ID, as we can see, there's 0 general comment under review ID 3 and review request ID 2. We can also query the result by the username. So as we can see, if we there's only 1 general comment under the username Charlie-2, and there are 3 general comments under the username Charlie. Those 3 query parameters, the review ID, review request ID, and the user, are common to all those 3 types of comments. In addition, for file attachment comment, I add 2 another query parameters, which are the file attachment ID and file name. So if you know the file attachment ID you're looking for, you can search a result by it. If you don't know the file attachment ID, which is also fine, you can search a result by the file name. And if we change the name, then we got 0 results with the file name week1.pm. For the different comments, we also add 1 more query parameter so far, the file diff ID. So if your user know the file diff ID, they can query the result by it. So yeah, that's what I did in the past few weeks. Thanks for watching.